A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Alhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam. Inshallah, today we will study 6th Ruku of Surah Bani Israel. The last Ruku culminated at this point that those who are unaware of the reality of hereafter, they are not convinced that at the end of this life they will be resurrected in the new forms to bear the results of their actions. Such like people should keep this in their mind that it is not difficult thing for the one who created them for the first time. And whenever their Lord will call them, they will respond the commandment with his praise and will assume that they remained in this world for a very short period of time. Let's start today's Ruku with this invocation that may Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul lil Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Ruku 6 comprising verses 53 to 60. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim wa kul li ibadi yaqulul lati hiya ahsan, and tell my servants to say which is best. Inna shaitana yanzahu bainahum. Indeed, Satan induces dissension between them. Inna shaitana kana lil insani aduwam mubina. Verily, Satan is the open adversary of men. Yanzahu inculcates discord. O claimant of truth, tell my servants to say those things in which there is welfare and benefit for others, and never articulates those words while being deceived by the Satan, which cause annoyance and may break heart of anyone. Since it is the motive of Satan to sow the seed of discord between brothers, sisters, and relatives, and as a result instigate tussle between them and cause affray and bloodshed. Whoever adopts the satanic attributes such as intolerance, hatred, abhorrence, and schism, then he is moving in that way which is favorite of Satan. It has been iterated several times in the Holy Quran that the Satan is an open adversary to mankind. And Allah Almighty took the oath from the children of Adam not to follow Satan, as mentioned in chapter 36, Surah Yasin, verse 60. Translation is: Did I not enjoin upon you, O children of Adam, that you not worship Satan? For indeed he is to you a clear adversary. Rabbukum alamu bikum. Your Lord is most knowing of you. Ain yasha yarhamkum aw ain yasha yu'azzibkum. If he wills, he will have mercy upon you, or if he wills, will punish you. Ma arsalnaka alayhim wakila, and we have not sent you as manager over them. Wakilan, as an warden. Lord Almighty is fully aware of our actions and is cognizant of our intentions. He is the knower of everything and has even the knowledge of our secrets and the ideas that rise in our minds. It is His mercy and benediction upon us that He is not taking our account instantly on our follies. Rather, He gives us respite so that we may mend ourselves. The Lord Almighty has both types of authorities, whether He may pardon us or punish us on our follies. He has established a system based upon justice, in which everyone is accountable for his own actions. In this system, there is no injustice, and no one has the right to intervene in it. The duty of the claimant of the truth is to deliver Allah's message to His people. He is not a manager over them. In chapter 39, Surah Az-Zumar, verse 41, it is mentioned, "Indeed, we send down to you the book for the people in truth." So whoever is guided, it is for the benefit of his own self. And whoever goes astray only goes astray to his detriment. And you are not a manager over them. وَرَبُّكَ عَالَمُ بِمَنْ فِي السَّمَوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ. And your Lord is most knowing of whoever is in the heavens and earth. وَلَقَدْ فَضَّلْنَا بَعْضَ النَّبِيِّينَ عَلَى بَعْضٍ وَآتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ زَبُورًا. And verily, we have made some of the prophets exceed over others, and we gave Daud alayhi salam the psalm. Kullid ullazina za'amtum min duni. Say, invoke those whom you claim besides him. Fala yamlikuna kashfat durri ankum wala tahwila. They don't possess removal of adversity from you, nor to change. Zaburan, Psalm. The Lord is most knowing about all the creatures in the heavens and the earth, including men and women. He knows very well who is in what situation and what they are doing. He sent the prophets to guide the children of Adam so that they may make people aware of their true Lord and give glad tidings to those who accept the truth and to warn those who follow the path of Satan. Some of these prophets are mentioned in the Holy Quran and some are not. The Lord gave some of them higher status, but it is not our job to differentiate between them. All the prophets came with the same message, and the main thing is to follow this message for our goodness. Therefore, these disbelievers be told to call upon the beings whom you have made your God, living the true Lord. Do they have any power to relieve your pain or alter your condition? أولئك الذين يدعون يبتغون إلى ربهم الوسيلة. Those whom they invoke seek means of access to their Lord. أيهم أقرب ويرجون رحمته ويخافون عذابه. Which of them would be nearest, and they hope for his mercy and fear his punishment. Inna azaba rabbika kana mahzura. Indeed, the punishment of your Lord is ever feared. Mahzuran, something be aware of. The fact is that these people, whom they consider to be their deities, are themselves looking for means to access their Lord. And they are trying to get the closeness and attention of their Lord. They hope for his mercy and are afraid of his punishment. The thing is that the punishment of the Lord is worth fearing. Therefore, it is important not to do such things due to which they get caught. وَإِمْ مِنْ قَرْيَةٍ إِلَّا نَحْنُ مُهْلِكُوهَا قَبْلَ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ. And there is no town but that we will destroy it before the day of resurrection. أو مُعَذِّبُوهَا عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا, or punish it with a severe punishment. كَانَ ذَلِكَ فِي الْكِتَابِ مَسْطُورًا. That is inscribed in the book. Qaryatin, town. Masturan, transcribed. In this verse, Allah has been explained that any town that disobeys the rule of the Lord and instead of following the guidance adheres path of satanic means, that is arbitrary, riotous and corrupting rites, it will be destroyed or some kind of punishment will be inflicted upon them. In chapter 28, Surah Al-Qasas, verse 59, it is mentioned, And your Lord never destroys the town until he appoints the messengers in their capital, who recites to them our signs. And we will not destroy the towns except their people are oppressors. وَمَا مَنَعَنَا أَن نُرْسِلَ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا أَن كَذَّبَ بِهَا الْأَوَّلُونَ. And nothing has prevented us from sending signs except that the former people denied them. وَآتَيْنَا ثَمُودَ النَّاقَةَ مُبْصِرَةً فَظَلَمُوا بِهَا. And we gave Samud the she-camel as a visible sign, but they wronged it. وَمَا نُرْسِلُ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا تَخْوِيفًا. And we send not the signs except to frighten. Takhweefa, to terrify. The only thing that prevents the sending of signs is that whenever a sign was sent, people rejected it instead of believing. In this way, the evidence against them was manifested and the punishment was inflicted upon them. An example of these signs was a she-camel, which was sent according to the request of the people of Samud. Despite seeing such a visible sign, people did not believe. Instead, they oppressed it, and as a result, punishment was inflicted upon them. And as a result, punishment was inflicted upon them. The purpose of sending such signs is to frighten the people from the evil so that they leave their wrong ways and return to the right path. وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لَكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ أَحَاطَ بِالنَّاسِ. And when we told you, indeed, your Lord has encompassed the people. وَمَا جَعَلْنَا الرُّؤْيَا الَّتِي أَرَيْنَاكَ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَالشَّجَرَةَ الْمَلْعُونَةَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ. And we did not make the vision which we showed you except as a trial for the people and the accursed tree in the Quran. وَنُخَوِّفُهُمْ فَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا طُغْيَانًا كَبِيرًا. And we threaten them, but it increases them not except in great transgression. Ar-Roya, a vision by unconscious mind. Al-Mal'unata, accursed. Your Lord has already made it clear that all people are under his jurisdiction. And the vision which was showed to you as a trial for those people and a cursed tree mentioned in the Holy Quran is also a swear trial. Shajare Mal'una means satanic setup, and bad commandments are also called Shajare Khabisa in Holy Quran, which is mentioned in chapter 14, Surah Ibrahim, verse 26. Translation is, and the example of a bad commandment is like a bad tree uprooted from the surface of the earth, not having any stability. The purpose of warning these people is that they should be aware of the consequence of doing things contrary to nature, so that they abandon all such practices that are against the pleasure of Allah Almighty and His beloved Prophet Rahmatul Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And they shall try to leave the cursed tree, that is Shajare Maluna, and strive to join the beneficial tree, that is Shajare Tayyibah. A summary of the sixth Ruku. The attribute of kindness leads to brotherhood, unity, peace, and harmony, and this attribute is very dear to Allah Almighty and His beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. While backbiting leads to mutual disharmony, strife, unrest, and mischief, this satanic style is strongly disliked by Allah Almighty and His beloved Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Our Lord knows best about all the creatures in the heavens and the earth. He sent prophets to guide mankind. All the prophets gave the message of monotheism. The town that disobeys the laws of Allah Almighty and instead of following the prime principles adopt the ways of Satan, that is, selfishness, affray, and violation of rights, it will be destroyed or some kind of punishment will be sent down on it. May Allah Almighty help us in understanding the Holy Quran by the grace of His beloved Prophet Rahmatul lil Alameen Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sadaqallahul Aliyul Azim Sallallahu Ta'ala ala Habibihi Muhammadin wa ala alihi wasallam.